This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. In order to maintain your claim for universal credit, you will have a list of responsibilities that you and your partner must commit to. Depending on your circumstances, you may be asked to make an appointment with your work coach to agree on your commitment once you have made your claim. Your utmost responsibility is to do everything reasonable in order to find and take paid work, something that your work coach will assist you in. To prepare for your declaration, it is recommended to once again check on all of the information that you have entered, in order to make sure that it is correct or to make any required changes. This is important because it is the last moment that you are able to do so before submitting your claim. Once you make sure that everything is correct, you will be able to submit your declaration, which states the following. By submitting this claim, you agree that the information you've given is complete and correct. While you're receiving universal credit, you'll report any changes to your circumstances straight away in your online account or by calling 0800 012 1331 or texting 0800 012 1441 if it isn't possible to do so online. If you give wrong or incomplete information or you don't report changes, you may be prosecuted, need to pay a financial penalty, have your universal credit reduced or stopped, be paid too much universal credit, and have to give the money back. To accept the declaration and confirm that your information is correct, tick the box that says "I understand and agree," and then the box that says "Submit claim." Congratulations, you have made your claim for universal credit. You will now need to verify your identity. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.